Sometimes the best four-wheel drive tracks aren't on the map. They're buried, lost to storms and time. Today, we're chasing one of those forgotten tracks. With tides reclaiming the beach and trees swallowing the path, we've made it our mission to bring it back to life. Let's open up this lost four-wheel drive beach track and see if it's still conquerable.
Starting off our adventure, we left the small town of Ravensthorpe and made our way down 30 kilometres of dirt road. This stretch is famous for its pure white sand and crystal clear waters, but we'd heard rumours of recent storms tearing through and closing off a few tracks. Our mission for this trip? Find those lost tracks and reopen them. Alright, we see our site this time that actually lines up. Number 2 is just there.
So that's number 1. I'm glad we're not in number 1.
That's a tiny site.
Number 2, oh look how big that is. We might even have to unhook.
Did I pick this one good, doll?
Yeah, I think this one's a bit better. We'll stop, we'll assess the situation.
Yoo-hoo!
Alright, let's get out and have a look.
Let's go.
Okay, so we've established what we're going to do on the site. We're going to move the caravan over. Yeah, I'm all good. We're going to move the caravan over a little bit. But Shania's practicing her reversing skills again. So she's just going to reverse it out of where I've parked it. After finding the perfect campsite and getting the van set up, we couldn't wait any longer. We decided to walk down to the beach and check the conditions. See how soft the sand was, and maybe just catch a glimpse of where that hidden track might be. Shania's just trying to look up the tide times because we just walked to the point, but you can actually keep driving around. So there's a Y62 over there, he's just cruising around, but we weren't sure if you could actually make it the whole way and do like a proper beach run. But we shall see.
Right, we're off to tackle Big Hill, then the beach. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, this is the entry into the actual Starvation Bay campsite. We're not out right here. You can't see it, but up there is a hill that we're about to traverse.
I think it's this way.
Yeah, we'll give it a go, eh?
We don't know where we're going.
We're just going.
We're winging it.
We're winging it. We'd seen there was a hill nearby that gave you a full view of the bay, perfect for scouting from above. The climb wasn't too bad until we hit a steep rock step that definitely knocked us around. Probably would have helped if we dropped our tyre pressures first. But the view made it worth it. Uninterrupted coastline, turquoise waters, and from up there, we could spot traces of those lost tracks we were chasing. Well, she was a bit of a bumpy track, wasn't it? Bit tight.
Bit of a step up we had to get up, and we had the tyres still pumped right up.
Yeah.
We were like, oh, we'll just air down later. So
we're airing down now.
Yeah, we're airing down now, but there's other tracks that go all the way over here. So I think there are people walking around down there.
Oh, there is. Yeah, we'll air down and let's go. All right, let's guide Kade down this little hill. If you saw in the drone on the way up, it was a bit of a step up actually. Look at that. All right. But you're just going over now, just go slow. Breeze coming down now. Easy! Don't know what I was so stressed about.
After a quick drone flight, we found a lead. A track that might be just what we're after. So we headed down the hill to find our way in.
Ready for the block your ears, kids.
I'm trying to drive over other bushes.
right into it. Go away! Alright, let's go to the beach. Wow. Alright, four-wheel drive beach access. Everyone else is accessing via the boat ramp.
Yes.
We're going to try this way.
We'll see how we go.
Alright. Ooh ah. Ooh ah.
No one's done this one in a long time.
Ooh ah.
I don't take my socks off.
I don't know if this is it even. Oh, this just leads to the beach.
Nah, can't.
Not this way.
No. Oh, here, look. That's where it used to go. I'd be so mad if we could do that.
We're just gonna go have a look down this track. Cause, oh God. He's a child. Like I was saying, we're gonna go down this track to see if this was where the boat ramp is.
That's the track.
It's not the track.
That's the track,
It's
mate.
not.
Get in.
I unlock the door.
I'm gonna be opening that up later.
I'm gonna be opening that up.
I'm gonna get the chainsaw. I'll chop them off of the ground.
Oh God. We'll just see.
At this point, we started to rethink our approach. Maybe the answer wasn't inland. Maybe it was along the beach.
Kade's found the entrance. He's gonna try and go at it from this way, so we'll just see. Thinking, is it possible?
If all the trees weren't here, it'd be fine. I just wouldn't even hesitate. But I don't want to move all the trees. Like,
Yeah.
they're actually buried into the sand.
They are.
Or we're gonna winch them all out. But then we'll still never get up the hill from this way. You have to come from the other way first to smoothen it off. But it would be so fun.
Yeah, good job. Start picking them up. All right, mate. What's your decision? Are we opening up this entry or not?
We'll cruise down, we'll go explore the rest of the beach, and then we'll come and set up camp here. Not camp, but we'll set up here for the afternoon. I'll start clearing.
Righto, let's go.
We drove along the shoreline while keeping an eye out the window. It wasn't long before something caught our attention. A small gap through the trees. Half covered, but just wide enough. Could this be it?
He has set his sights on another spot. Yeah.
So that road that we were on driving before, we're like, no, this doesn't look right. This actually brings you out on this other beach because of the rocks. So it's like a bypass track, but this one's got crap in it everywhere too. So we're just wondering if we should get this one opened up or not.
Yeah, let's have a look at it.
This one might actually be possible.
Yeah, this one is a lot more possible than the other one. It's just a lot of sticks in here.
Yeah, a lot of sticks in here, that's all. Nothing, a bit of elbow grease.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's doable. This one is doable. The only thing, we'd probably hit that one route. If we could move this stuff, which ain't hard to move with a winch. With half the plan and a whole lot of enthusiasm, we got to work.
In place and ready.
And the winch. Okay, so this is the situation that we're doing. Ready? You feed that through here.
Oh dear. Wow, that's a big stump. Whoa!
I thought that was gonna happen. One piece of the puzzle.
Okay, we got that one. Wow. Look at it. Holy. Come on, now we move it.
Rinse and repeat. Full drive 24/7, baby.
Attach, winch, reset, repeat. Slowly, we carved our way through the overgrowth, and after a while, we could finally see the track coming together.
Okay, he's done it.
Well, we've cleared half of it. I've still got this one in the way, and then around the corner, it's a big sandbank we're still going to get up.
Just got me past that one on the left there.
Yeah, we are only just going to hit it. Oh, nah, right hand down.
Yeah, but then I hit the bushes on the right.
Okay, well, you're just going to have to go straight then. Just slowly. Keep going. Yeah. It was tight. Real tight. Branches scraping, mirrors folding, every inch testing our width. There was a point where we genuinely thought, maybe we're just too big for this. But we kept pushing. The door might hit it.
I'm just up against these ones on the left side.
Nah, you got probably another couple inches. This is where it's going to get tight. Right hand down.
I'm against his bank.
Yeah, you are. You're either just going to have to hit it.
I'll dig it out on the left.
You're pretty much done that already with your tyre. And then we broke through. There you go. You opened it. Good job. You made the track.
Yeah, but we didn't kick further past here.
The quad's going this way.
Oh,
Oh yeah?
easy.
That's the track just there.
That's the track. Hello, mate. Go get it.
We'll drive around, turn around, then we can go back through again.
Yeah, cement it. The forgotten beach track was open again. To make sure it stayed that way, we ran it a few times, packing the sand down and making sure it was drivable both ways. Mission accomplished. We made a track for everyone to use. The beach exit entry point. Now we're heading back to the beach. Just enjoy the afternoon now.
Yeah, because the tide's on the way in now, so
Yeah.
we didn't even have to leave that beach because we could have just went that way now. But anyway, we're going back around here to the boat ramp.
Come
Want
back.
to see if other people get bogged at the boat ramp.
Yeah, there's a lot of cars there now.
Yeah, there's
But-
like a whole crew, eh?
There you go, all done. How do you feel, mate?
Ah, accomplished.
You feel so good now?
Accomplished.
You did it.
Yeah.
All right. How was that?
We successfully reopened the track.
Yeah.
We went through it about four times or something in the end
Yeah, so Kade actually forgot to press record.
on the drone.
On the drone?
We had to drive through it again.
Yeah, just for you guys. So I hope you made it this far, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode where we're taking on Esperance's best beaches.
Yeah, the best beaches in Australia.
But we're just gonna sit back, enjoy this beautiful beach, pretty much all to ourselves. Like, there's no one here. If I put the GoPro that way, you'll see people, but don't worry about that. But yeah, hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Starvation Bay beach access number 2 is open.
Yeah, because at the moment there's only the boat ramp, so everyone's driving down the boat ramp, turning hard left, digging the boat ramp up.
Yeah, so we did it.
So we're doing people a favour.
Yeah.